So here is where we're putting another aluminium covering on the wall. We're going to have two posts, two salvaged 14 by 14 centimeter posts from the old house, and we're going to clean those up, and then they're going to be in the corners, on top of the aluminium, give it a nice watertight finish, and also help the optic. Is just something that looks a little bit nicer for the balcony, that it's not just kind of like hanging in the air, but it has two posts underneath it. So here we have the beams from the old house. We've planed them down, we have neatened them up and kind of made them equal on all sides, because there was a longer side, and they're looking actually pretty nice. A nice wood. There was a little debate about whether we should leave them like very old looking and just brush them down, but in the end I decided I kind of wanted them to look newer than really old, so that they kind of fit better to the house. And there's of course one going here and one going there, and they can weather, go grey, the same as the facade up there and the roof. So I think it's a good starting point just to clean them up a little bit. There's a good structure in there and it should look nice when they're in. So, as you can see, the whole scaffolding is coming down, which is excellent. It's pretty bright out here. Got the top window sills finished, the bottom are still to be delivered. Well, it's been a day's work, but the scaffolding is down and the house is looking nice. Of course there are a few things to finish still, but we've got time. Winter is coming and the work inside is certainly going to be enough to keep us busy. And outside, well, we'll see if we can get our groundwork guy in next week and he can fill up some gaps. We're moving slowly into the house now, doing more. As it gets colder outside and less to do outside, we can start doing the tiles in the basement. And once we get that one room done, which is basically our washroom and kind of storage space, we can move a lot of furniture and other things in there that we're kind of collecting as we go. And that will be quite helpful as well. We can empty the garden shed a bit, finish the floor in the lower part of the garden shed and so on. I'm cleaning up here right now, getting this all kind of prepped for the digger to come, looking a bit better than it was. Window handles, very easy to install. So we've got a door partway finished, just got to put a screw in here so it holds. Nice simple latch. And the shed is basically winter ready now. I mean, it's full of stuff and you've got to slowly get it all out, which we'll do. And this door and the steps we shortened, of course. And I've got to get a latch on this door, don't have one yet. But it's opening and it's looking okay, so job's a job. We've done that one now, and got some of wood left over, of course. The shed is very useful, great storage, and once we get a couple of the rooms done in the house with the tiles, be able to move some of the furniture down out of the shed here and into the house. But for now, probably should clean those windows, shouldn't I? For now it will do. A nice little home away from home, the garden shed. So matching drain pipes for our gutters on the garden shed.